This is a very beautiful climbing butterfly. For making this, you require some card sheet, 2 refills, glue, thread and an ice cream stick. Take a doubled up butterfly made from card sheet and apply glue. And on this you stick a very colorful painted butterfly. After it dries up, reverse it and apply glue on the back side of the colored butterfly. And once the glue dries up, take 2 empty ball pen refills and stick them at a slant. And then stick the other butterfly on top of it. You have now 2 refills which are sandwiched at a slant between 2 card sheet butterflies. The extra refills which are popping out can now be cut with the scissors. Now you have this butterfly. At the back of it you can see that there are 2 refills at a slant. Take an ice cream stick and make 6 notches, 2 in the middle and 2 on the ends. Then take a needle with about 2 meters of thread and weave it in this fashion. Take it out from one refill and weave it then to the next refill. At the ends of both the threads, you can tie 2 small beads. Now these beads will be the handles which you pull up to make the butterfly climb. Now the 2 other ends of the thread can be tied to the 2 ends of the ice cream stick. Now your climbing butterfly is almost ready. You've got to take the middle loop in the ice cream stick and hang it by a nail and then pull both the handles alternately and the butterfly will clamber up. Once you release it, by its own weight it comes down. If you pull both the handles, it climbs up. If you release it, by its own weight it comes down. It's a very beautiful butterfly indeed.